Hey guys, this is Tricks from Patchwork of Tips. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, do please kindly click on the subscribe button and also tap on the notification bell icon so you don't miss an update. When I added CeraVe's moisturizing cream on the top to my skincare routine, I was already neck deep in acids such as 𝐷𝐸ℎ𝐴𝐻𝐴 BHA peeling solution, 𝐷𝐸ℎ𝐴 L-ascorbic acid powder, and 0.1% 𝐷𝐸ℎ𝐴. For some reason, the moisturizing cream always stung, which made me wonder if the ingredients in the cream were too strong for my skin. I'd seen similar complaints online about this particular product, so I made up my mind that CeraVe was to blame and not my skin. 2 weeks ago, my skin barrier completely shut down for the first time. I applied CeraVe to my wet face, and rather than sting, it felt as though my skin was burning. I resisted washing it off, and it took over an hour for my skin to calm down. The next day, I went off all acids and started repairing my skin barrier with the following products being the only things I put on my face. 1. Menicious Rose Essence Toner. 2. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. I've linked to my reviews of these two products up above and in the description box down below. 3. The Ordinary's Niacinamide 10% and Zinc 1%. 𝐏𝐥𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐿 Originals 2% Salicylic Acid 5% niacinamide face cream. I use this as a spot treatment. The review of this product is on my Instagram page. Finally, Amazon Solimo 2% salicylic acid face wash. I use this at night only. These days I just use water to rinse my face in the morning. Lest I forget, I did actively use sunscreen during the daytime. 1 week after I started fixing my skin barrier, I went back to CeraVe's moisturizing cream on the top, and ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to say that minus the tiny corners of my nose area, CeraVe no longer stings. I'm in my second week of fixing my skin barrier, and hopefully by the end of the week, my nose area would have stopped stinging as well. In summary, if CeraVe's moisturizing cream on the top stings or burns, you might want to try a skin barrier fixing regimen before writing it off completely. I've made up my mind to always have a tub of this cream lying around, as it seems to be the only product in my skincare regimen that screams, "Bitch, you're doing too much, slow the fuck down." If you've had the same issue with CeraVe's product, how did you fix it? Did you give up on your products completely? Do please let me know in the comment section down below. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if it was. I'll see you guys in my next video, where I'll be reviewing the sketchy Altruist Dermatologist Sunscreen SPF 50. Have a great week, guys.